Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product. In this video, we're taking a look at Moka AI, found at https://www.moka.ai. Moka is an interesting tool that aims to streamline the content creation process, particularly for marketing professionals. It leverages artificial intelligence to help generate copy, which can be a huge time saver for busy marketers. Moka promises to assist with various content needs, from crafting compelling ad copy and engaging social media posts to generating longer-form content like blog posts and articles. The platform appears to be designed with user-friendliness in mind, aiming to make the content creation process more accessible even for those without extensive writing experience. One of Moka's key selling points is its ability to adapt to different brand voices and writing styles, allowing users to maintain consistency across their marketing materials. This is a crucial feature for businesses looking to establish a strong brand identity. Beyond just generating text, Moka also offers features like SEO optimization, suggesting relevant keywords and phrases to help your content rank higher in search engine results. This can be a significant advantage in today's competitive digital landscape. While the specific pricing plans aren't detailed in this brief overview, exploring the Moka AI website will provide more information on the different subscription options available. Overall, Moka AI presents itself as a potentially valuable tool for marketers seeking to enhance their content creation workflow and boost their online presence. It's certainly worth investigating further to see if it aligns with your specific marketing needs and budget. From generating initial drafts to refining existing content, Moka AI offers a range of features that could prove beneficial for streamlining the often demanding process of content creation. If you're struggling to keep up with the constant demand for fresh, engaging content, Moka AI might be a solution worth considering. It's definitely a tool to keep an eye on in the ever-evolving world of AI-powered marketing solutions. Be sure to check out their website for more in-depth information and perhaps even a free trial to experience its capabilities firsthand.